Her career began in Holland, aged just 14. She was too young to sign the contract herself. Since then, she's become the all-time leading scorer in the Women's Super League, scored more goals for the Netherlands than any other player, man or woman, won the Euros, played in the World Cup final, and signed a £250,000 contract extension with Arsenal earlier this year. Despite all the success, she came close to retirement at the age of 18. Ian Wright says, she's the best number 9 in the world, and she's the best number 10 in the world. There's not many players that can do that. My guest today is Viv Miedema.
And Miedema spotted the runner, Vivianne Miedema to Miedema.
Miedema's there. Miedema, is this the moment, a hat-trick? Yes, it is.
Miedema, the all-time leading scorer in the WSL, arguably the best player to play for Arsenal since that kind of Kelly Smith era when Arsenal won the Champions League.